Hi, Steve here for AVI, and in this little anti-theft class tech tip we've set aside for you, Bill Fulton's going to show you how to get through that confusing, sometimes relearn process for a pass lock component. So check this one out.
Let's talk about what you have to do when you change any of these pass lock components. In other words, the pass lock sensor, the BCM, or the PCM. Let's just say you went to a salvage yard and you got a PCM. We're going to have to do a relearn. Let's just say you replaced the pass lock sensor. You got a new one from the GM dealership. We got to do a relearn. Or in this case, a PCM or the VCM. Well, what we're basically telling you to do is, we initially said that most of the time no factory scan tool is needed to do a relearn or reflash. So what we're going to ask you to do is the manual relearn mode. The manual relearn mode is going to take you 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and talk about that. When we do the manual relearn mode, what we're going to initially tell you to do, before you do anything, put a battery charge on the vehicle, because we're going to have, this key is going to be on for a minimum 30 minutes, so we don't want the battery to go low. So maybe put a 10 amp charger on the battery to make certain that the battery doesn't go low on you. Listen very carefully what we're asking you to do. Now, this only applies to the pass lock systems. We cycle the key momentarily to the crank position for about 1 second. We'll release it. We stop right there and we give the security light 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, that security light will go out. After that security light goes out, we now turn the key to the off position, wait 5 seconds, and repeat it all over again. But now we don't go to the cranking mode. We just go to the key on engine off position. We wait another 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, that security light will go back out. We now turn the key back off to the off position, wait another 5 seconds, turn the key back on. Do not go to the cranking mode. Go key on engine off, wait 10 minutes, the security light will go out. You're ready to go now. You turn the key off, you wait the 5 seconds, now you go to normal crank mode. You have just done the manual relearn procedure. You should be good to go. Now, if something happens, things go wrong, the vehicle still starts and installs, the security light's back on, obviously we need to do what? Check for a DTC to find out what the problem is.